एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। सबसे पहले चलते हैं यूजीसी डीबी की वेबसाइट पे, which actually regulates pan India universities who offers online and distance learning programs. हल्का सा स्क्रॉल करते हैं and right side in green tab you will see list of all institutes approved to run online programs. Now let's click here and see the list of complete 44 pages which comprise of 113 universities. The list is in front of you. Now let's do Control F. Let's find out executive इस list के अंदर है या नहीं है. So now Control F executive and you will see that in this entire list of 113 universities executive word सिर्फ एक बार mentioned है. And now let's look at the university. It is NMIMS. So when we talk about our Pan India Executive MBA program, it's just one university which is UGC DB approved. Now let's go a little deep about this program. I will put all the links which I have just shown you on the screen in the description box. अगर आप खुद से भी चाहें तो check कर सकते हैं. This program usually attracts the people those who like to have a small batch live classes on daily basis. They like to study in a routine and also want to go deep down in those 5 niche specializations which they offer, which we are going to cover in this video soon. We have currently around 100 plus students, those who have either enrolled in this NMIMS Executive MBA or completed their MBA. They reached out to us via WhatsApp link, since we always mention our WhatsApp link in the description. We offer them a complete mentorship free of cost for all the university options which can be best suited for them, and then we help them in enrolling, preparing them for the interview, and even stay in touch till they get their degree. So in case you want to know more about this program or any other program, do not hesitate to say hi on our WhatsApp link. This is a 2-year program because UGC restricts anyone providing master degree in less than 2 years. But इसमें जो classes होती है वो initial 1.5 years के लिए होती है. Remaining 6 months is like a project work which can easily be showcased. अगर आप already working हैं तो जो वहाँ पे जो करते हैं आप उसको आप showcase कर सकते हैं. Eligibility 50% है but only for reserved category. For general it is 55% in graduation. And work experience is 3 years. That too after graduation. तो अगर आपकी ग्रेजुएशन अभी कंप्लीट हुई है 2024 में 2025 में और उसको 3 साल कंप्लीट नहीं हुए हैं तो एनी हाउ आप एलिजिबल नहीं है, चाहे आपने ग्रेजुएशन के साथ भी वर्क किया हो. There are very few executive MBA programs in our country who actually consider work experience while doing graduation also. But NMIMS is not one of them. In case you are looking for options जो कि आपको ग्रेजुएशन के साथ के वर्क एक्सपीरियंस को कंसीडर करके आपको एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA में एडमिशन कर दें, उसके लिए भी you can reach out to us and talk to our senior mentors. Admission process, that is very simple. You have to initially pay 21,500 for the application form, and after that you have to submit your documents, give your interview, which we prepare you for the interviews as well, and then finally get the offer letter and pay the remaining 3,80,000. So the total fees is 4 lakh rupees. 20,000 आपने इनिशियली पे किया है 21,500 के रूप में. So 1,500 एप्लीकेशन फी, 20,000 रुपीज जो स्टार्टिंग में आपने पे किया है वो 4 लाख की फीस से एडजस्ट हो जाएगी. नाउ यू आर लेफ्ट विद 3,80,000. तो जब आपको ऑफर लेटर मिलता है तो 3,80,000 आप सेल्फ पेमेंट करना चाहते हैं या नो कॉस्ट EMI के ऑप्शंस लेना चाहते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो अप टू यू. सो द टोटल प्रोग्राम कॉस्ट यू, टू बी प्रिसाइज, 4,15,000 rupees. Now let's see all the 5 specializations which they offer in this program. It's in front of you. Marketing management, leadership and strategy, operations and supply chain management, applied finance, digital marketing. These are the 5 specializations you get in case you apply for this particular program. Now let's have a look at the sample degree. After completion of the program, this is how your degree will look like. Classes happening online 5 days in a week. This program works on trimester basis, not semester basis. So after every trimester, you will have your assessment, your exams, and this is a live classes with a very small batch. Usually the classes will have around 70 to 80 students in one batch. Though the degree program is for 2 years, but you get a validity for 4 years. So in case because of some reasons you are not able to clear all the exams, not able to complete all the credits in the course, you get a validity to complete this program in 4 years as well. Now the next question in your mind may be, since you already have 3 years of work experience after graduation, why not go for IIM instead of NMIMS? For that, you can connect with our team of experts. They will come on the G-Meet, discuss about the background, your career goals, what are you really looking at, what is your budget, and what is your ROI which you are looking at. Accordingly, we can suggest you not just about this program, but which one IIM will be the best fit out of all 15 IIMs which are currently offering online MBAs or online executive MBAs. That's it for today's video. You will find the link of brochure, application link as well as UGC DB link in the description box. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.